ang presentation ko sa Mother's Day. Mother's Day presentation. She will love you no matter what. Even if you make a big mess, even if you have a bad grades. She took care of us since birth. She stays up to watch us sleep. She works for us and not for herself. They are our mother. She means the whole world to me. If it wasn't for her, I would be living the life I dream of. Not be having all things I want. The word mother has important meaning to me. M is for the million things she gave me. O means only that she is growing old. T is for the tears she shed to save me. H is for her heart full of love. E is for her eyes with love, light shining. R means right, and right she'll always be. To me, my mom means the whole world to me. I love her like how she loved me. I love her till the end of time. I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom.